Hey, do you want to know why Joan is the #1 room booking system on this planet? You're welcome to Joan Workplace Management at booth 2W100 here at ISE 2024 in Barcelona. We're here today to show you our brand new product called Joan 6 RE. It's our latest, greatest technology that we've developed for businesses that want to organize their meeting rooms in a much more efficient way. What's unique about this product is that it's completely battery powered, it's installed with a magnet, and it runs on a rechargeable battery, so it's also very super energy efficient. It connects to your company calendar and shows you the meeting room schedule right in front of the space where you exactly need it the most. What's unique about this product is that its design is top of the industry. The performance of the device is super speedy. When it comes to e-paper display as such, this is the best on the market. And overall, we've taken care of security, so it's more secure, it's faster, and also the design overall is simply amazing, so people really love to use it. Apart from Joan 6 RE, we also have our Joan 6 Pro product available here, which gives you the vertical screen orientation, gives you the possibility to use it with PoE, and it's really suitable for companies that have hundreds of meeting rooms and want to manage that in a very efficient way. Apart from the Joan 6 Pro, we have the Joan 13. That's our largest display option that gives you a multi-room overview schedule, and it also gives you a very nice, clean interface, which is actually a common characteristic of all our technology displays, let's say. Together with our products for meeting room booking purposes, we also are presenting visitor management and desk and asset booking solutions, which all in all do bring a concept of all-in-one workplace solutions that we offer here at Joan. So you're welcome to visit us at booth 2W100 here at ISE. We'll be happy to have you, so thank you for your time.